I want to use these options in declarative, I can define them directly like this. In center area, I can define the options. So if I want to print the timestamp, I can use the time is to this. Timestamps. See or extern on a particular stage. If I want to define, this is on the complete pipeline level, I'm enabling this option. And for a particular stage, I want to enable a timeout. I can define that using the same options method. Options. Timeout. Time colon. I want this stage to run within 1 minute. Okay, I will define this as unit. Yes. Yes. Okay. So this is the option for this particular stage, and this is the option for the complete pipeline. So I can straight away give these options here itself. This is a better way of defining the options for a particular stage. So this is how it is going to look like here. But in the scripted pipeline, this is going to be very much clumsy and it is really tough to manage it. I'll show you. So here you are defining the options and you are seeing things. Okay, let me do something. In the steps, let me print something with the color code. So let's hit. Bracket 131. These are basic Linux Xterm formatting. I'm just using that. Okay. Search printer, building application. Let me do the same thing on this step. Instead of building, let me call it as testing application. Testing application. Okay. So if I save this, let me run this. So if you see that it is printing the testing application in a red color. Okay. The build also you can see something similar, and it is adding the current timestamp of that mission. Right. So this is how you can define options in the declarative. So which are like in a centralized way, you are defining the options for the stage and also for the pipeline. But in the script, if you want to do that, so it is going to be very, very confusing. I'll just show you. Inside the node, you need to open up a tag for timestamps. Timestamps. Okay. And inside that, you need to call SI and see color. And inside that, you need to create a stage. For the build stage, I'm going to define the timeout. Time colon comma colon. Inside that, I'm going to call the sh command. Okay, then I'm going to build more stage test, and then I'm going to give the timeout time colon x command testing application. Okay, so if you see that I need to define options inside options inside options, right? This is not really going to look like when you see a bigger coding, troubleshooting things are going to be a lot more a problem. Like imagine I want to add one more options to this, okay? Then I need to change all the architecture and sorry, this indentation. I need to change the complete file. Okay, it is really going to create a trouble for me in managing the code. So that is where declarative handle these options in a better way compared to the scripted. Let's save this. So now, if I run this scripted, I'll get the same output. There is no issue in the output, but only thing is how I'm going to write it. That is where the problem. Okay, you see in the scripted, it is printing the timestamp, it is giving the color code, all are fine. Okay, but managing the code is going to be a big trouble for me comparatively. Okay. This is the another advantages on the scripted versus declarative.